Hey guys, welcome to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ and today we have a special treat, brown butter banana bread. It is out of this world, packed full of flavor, so good. The recipe can be found using the link in my description. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every Wednesday for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. Now what you're going to want to do first here is make your brown butter. I have instructions on my website. The link for that is in the description, don't you worry. Here in a large bowl, I have 2.5 cups or 300 grams of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon or 2 grams of baking soda, a half a teaspoon or a gram of salt, 3/4 a teaspoon or 1 gram of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon or a gram of ground nutmeg. We're gonna mix that all together, and then in a separate bowl here, I have my cooled brown butter, about 3/4 of a cup's worth. We're mixing in 2 large room temperature eggs, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a half a cup or 100 grams of light brown sugar firmly packed, and a tablespoon or 12 grams of vanilla extract, along with 1/3 cup or 80 grams of buttermilk. We're gonna whisk that all together until it's really nicely combined. We're gonna add that into our dry mixture, and in goes 4 large ripe bananas that I've mashed. Get you about 2 cups worth. Once that's all really nicely combined, this is going to go into our 9 by 5 inch loaf pan that I've greased pretty liberally. We're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes. And then after that 30 minutes, you wanna loosely wrap it in aluminum foil to prevent the top of the loaf from getting too dark brown and potentially burning. We don't want that. You're gonna bake it for about another 20 to 25 minutes after that until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once it does, you're gonna let it cool in the pan for about 20 minutes, and then you can turn it onto a cooling rack. Let it cool completely or until you can handle it and slice it and eat it, and that's pretty much it. And this banana bread is packed full of flavor. You can get the like caramelized brown butter flavor in there. It's so good. Once again, the recipe can be found using the link in my description. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. My voice is already going away from this, but it's worth it. It's always worth it.